Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is compose. It is pronounced compose, and it is spelt C-O-M-P-O-S-E. Think com and then pose. Compose has a few meanings. The first is to write or create. The second is to constitute or make up something. And the third is to calm or settle one's thoughts or feelings. Three fairly simple definitions, one word. For example, you could say, he composed a beautiful song, where composed means created. Or, the company is composed of different departments, where composed means made up of. Or finally, he composed himself and wiped away a tear, where composed means calmed. Compose comes from the Latin word componere, meaning to arrange or direct. This was gradually replaced in French by the word composer. Have you heard this word before? Composer is also a word in English. A composer is a person who writes music. They compose music. Some of the most famous composers of classical music are Bach, Mozart, and Beethoven. But let's just focus on Beethoven for now. Ludwig van Beethoven was born in Germany in 1770. At first, he was known just as a brilliant pianist, but when he was 30 years old, Beethoven started going deaf. Even though he could no longer hear well enough to play his piano, Beethoven managed to compose some of his best music after he lost his hearing. Today, he is considered one of the greatest musical geniuses that ever lived. Compose is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, she sat and composed a long email. Or, after the argument, she composed herself and left. In both of these sentences, compose is used as a verb. Compose is defined in the dictionary as to produce music, poetry, or formal writing, to be formed from various things, to make yourself calm again after being angry or upset. Compose's synonyms include write, create, devise, make, formulate, produce, constitute, comprise, calm, build, and arrange. Antonyms include disperse, scatter, aggravate, agitate, destroy, disorganize, ruin, demolish, lose, wreck, and dismantle. See if you can compose something today. It could be a song, a poem, a piece of writing, or even your own emotions. Either way, impress your friends and family by telling them you are composing something. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.